Welcome back to the InScentive Collection. I be the host, Brandon, and today we are getting into another fragrance from, forgot the name, Dries Van Noten. Yeah, all right, super excited for this. This is going to be a neon garden. Neon garden. Look at that yellow. I'm guessing citrus. Don't know for sure. We will find out. All right. Let's go ahead and unsheathe this thing. There was no resistance. It just happened. All right. So another clear fragrance. Another clear fragrance. No judgment. No judgment. No judgment zone. Okay. Let's go ahead and get this on the skin. Let's get it on the skin. Okay. Gotta over apply it a little bit. It is definitely something that is a little light. So far. I'm getting a very dirty lemon. This one's changing fast. Right in front of my nose. Right in front of my nose. Dirty lemon. That's what I'm sticking with. What is going on with this camera? Sorry. Getting you guys motion sick. All right. That's all I got. Powdery, iris, musky, green, amber, aromatic, earthy. Your boy is good. Violet, fresh spice, and soft spice. Soft spice. I don't think I've ever seen that one before. So these are very light in description. So let's see. Mint, iris, carrot. In the top notes you have mint. In the middle notes you have iris and carrot, and in the base you have ambroxan and musk. I like this. I like this. I don't know why. There is something like slightly offensive, slightly cleaning supply about it. I know that's gonna rub people the wrong way. I like this. But I don't know why. There certainly isn't any lemon, but there also isn't any earthy things in here. So maybe carrot is earthy. I'm not getting any iris. This is a iris mint fragrance. Yes. I'm getting mint. Which is okay. My favorite mint fragrance of all time, and I don't know if anybody will ever be able to top this, and it is going to be Egg from Nishane. Masterpiece. This is minty. That's like mint. This is minty. That's almost the only thing I recognize is mint and dirt. I like this. I don't know why. And as it's developing and as it's changing, it is certainly becoming more nuanced, more robust, more solid, more fragrantic. So far, this is the best one I've tried in the house. This is very good. I don't know what to say about it because I'm not getting almost any of the notes. This is very hard to describe. I kind of, when I say cleaning supply, I mean, this isn't like bleach or anything like that, but it just has like, you know how like cleaning supplies, like they try to cover the chemicals with like the aroma. Like I'm getting a little bit of that, but not in an offensive, nasty way. This doesn't smell like, I like this. I like it, which is, you know, saying a lot because I'm not a very big proponent of mint. But this is very dirty. And that's really all I got for you. I don't know what the rest of this is, to be honest. I would recommend this. I would recommend this, but this is going to be for an aficionado. This isn't going to be anything that's for a novice. A novice would not like this. I can guarantee it. This is offensive. This is off the cuff. This is different. This is not mass appealing. There's almost like a rugged leather in here. I turned the AC off and like immediately regretted it. I just turned it back on. Yeah, I would recommend it. You need a sample, and you need to probably have had smelled like a lot of fragrances to really get this one. These fragrances aren't cheap. Let's look at the price here. So this is an Ero. It is 250 bucks. It's probably about 300 bucks for 100 ml. And it says it's 89% naturally derived ingredients. There's a blurb here. I'm going to read it to you guys. Reading with Brandon. Buckle up. I wanted to express unconventional classism through using orris from iris root. Okay, so it's not like... which is so elegant and haughty culture. But I wanted to shake it, to heckle it, with energy of mint. And that's by Fami Ball Perfumer. It's still changing. This is a very good fragrance. Yeah. Yes. Elegant and joyful, a color block bottle featuring neon green base with sky blue glass. This is very good. It's very good. Get a sample of this. Check it out. That's it. That's all I have to say about this. Check out the Accord. Newsletter comes out once a month. I appreciate you guys. Love you. I will catch you in the next video. Peace.